Hello everybody, my name is Two Shop. Today we'll be making my first YouTube video. Never been on camera, probably gonna screw this up a little bit, and I'll be doing the editing, so it can't be that great. Today I will be making a barrel tankard, and for those who don't know what the hell I'm talking about, a barrel is usually used for storing bourbon, whiskey, scotch, wine, things of the such, and a tankard is by definition a tall beer mug, and usually made out of soft metal with a lid on top. But today we're going to be doing the selection process for all the wood, and I'll be going over probably the design, what I'm looking for, what I'm hoping it's gonna come out looking like. This is probably gonna take a couple months. I'm gonna record a video every 2 weeks probably. Or within a 2 week period of time, I will have have built up recording videos and stuff like that to accumulate for a 1 month video. So we're gonna go ahead and head on over to the wood shop where we can go ahead and start picking the wood we're gonna use. The metalworking portion of all this is gonna get done here in the metal shop. We have a wood shop about 40 feet away and the metal shop here. Other metalworking like blacksmithing and such will be taken care of at Buddy's place, because that's currently where my forge and anvil's at. But we're gonna forge the handle, forge the bands, and then when we bring it back down here, if there's any welding that needs to get done, drilling, riveting, of the such, that'll get taken care of here in the metal shop. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to the wood shop where we will select the wood, and I'll catch you over there. Ta-da! Here we are. Welcome to the wood shop. It is currently 16 degrees outside right now. It's extremely cold, and I want to get a fire going over there in the metal shop. So we're not going to spend very much time in here for now. We also have a wood stove here in this shop as well, but I'm not going to have two running because that's a waste of wood. Anyways, so this is some of the wood we have to work with. I have what appears to be a lot of like oak. There's a lot of hardwood in here. Now I would like to go with an oak for the fact that it's a lighter colored wood. It's really hard. I'm willing to bet that due to the fact that it is so hard and dense, that it might have tighter grain, which will help with keeping the water or beer or liquor or any liquid inside the tankard. We have other options. I think that there's a lot of walnut in this pile. This is not my wood, believe it or not. This was my grandfather's wood shop, same as the metal shop. So we got some variety here. I think this oak would be probably the best bet, personally. And we might only need about that much. You know, the joke is that, you know, the dads and whatnot will keep every little piece of wood, and then you end up having these huge storages of wood and no use for all these little scraps. But this might be perfect for those scraps. We're gonna go ahead and rock with this piece. I will bring this closer real quick. All right, now that we're up here closer, I have a ruler. We're looking at about, just a little bit over an inch. Pretty much exactly an inch, but almost over an inch. So that's gonna change drastically. This is gonna have to be ran through the planer a handful of times. I'm thinking maybe get it down to half inch, maybe 3/8 or something like that. And this is about the height that I'm looking for out of the tankard. It doesn't have to be terribly tall, and we're looking at about 5.5 inches here, which I think is perfect. We're clearly going to lose maybe a little bit of height when it comes to run it through all the machines, but we'll go ahead, run this through the jointer, run this through the planer, get it whittled down a little bit. But we're going to go ahead and head back over to the metal shop where we're going to discuss a little bit more about blueprints. I'm going to draw those up as well, and some other things I have planned for the future of this project. And we're back. All right, so we got our wood selected. I've kind of discussed a little bit about how I want this thing to look. Here, in just a moment, I will put up on screen pictures that I've drawn out, and I'll explain some of the diagrams as well. I was laying in bed the other day, and it just came to me. I, for some reason, decided that it was time for us to spend some more time in the shop. Needed something to do. I needed a project since I'm going to be starting to work here again shortly, and my weeks will be full. I need something fulfilling on the weekend, so I'm not just staying inside all day and wasting away. So just randomly, it came to me to make this barrel tankard. I don't know if it was inspiration for something I was watching on TV earlier that day or what, but I started thinking about it and thinking about making it, and then the second thought I had was, why not just record the process? It wouldn't be hard to record it, and it would be fun to record it. I could put it up on YouTube and at least teach somebody something. I'm going to be learning during this whole process too. I know more about barrels now than I did a couple weeks ago, just from research, so I could figure out do's and don'ts for making a small barrel. So here on screen, I'm going to dump the blueprints that I have drawn. I haven't drawn them yet, but today is Saturday and it's early in the morning, so we have the whole day to draw them up. So by the time you're seeing this, viewer, the blueprints will be done, and they will be on screen now. So I didn't get any real blueprints done this first day. What I did get out was I was able to get the concept art drawn up for this portion of the video. The deal with the concept art here is that I just wanted to get a rough idea to show you guys what I'm doing. I'm going to put on screen also some drawing or pictures rather of other barrels and barrel tankards and stuff, kind of like, I guess, inspiration for what I'm doing. But here you can see the metalwork I want to get done for the banding. You can see the twist that I'm going to add to the handle, little straps that hold the handle to the barrel, the straps themselves around the barrel, and then how small the barrel is going to look. I guess that'd be a little bigger than a coffee mug, but that's the idea. So here we go. All right, everybody, that will be it for this video. I've probably left out a lot of information that I had initially planned to put in this video. Once you start recording, I don't have a script, so I've probably forgotten a lot of stuff. But we got our wood selected. I've kind of explained to you guys what the project is, why I want to build it, and how and where we're going to build it. This is, I don't know, hopefully not a very long video. I'd like to get it under 10 minutes. But I will be back again in a couple weeks. So thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. This is Two Shop signing out.